So Mike sent me this video. Not sure where the original poster is. I see something like Reels on there, so that might be Reels Plus, I am not sure. Anyway, we have two short videos, Sovcits, both of them. The first one I'm going to show you, this lady is, I think there's something wrong. I think there's something wrong there. Check this video out and tell me what you think. I personally, I think there's a mental issue now with that person. I could be totally wrong. It's just my perception. And then there's a second video as well, where the guy is a bit more sane, I would think. Anyway, let's go ahead and watch this video. Please let me know what you think of this video. The first one especially. I'd like to get your take on this video. And by the way, please go ahead and do the subscription thing. Subscribe, give us a like, say hi in the comments. It does help us a lot, and YouTube seems to like that as well in order to distribute this video to more people. And that's what we want. Okay, let's go ahead and watch the video.
Hey, how are y'all? My name is Deputy Searles with the Sheriff's Office. Real stop you're going 87. You know the speed limit is 70?
I was just trying to go with the flow.
Okay.
Yeah, that's everybody's excuse, right? I'm traveling the same speed as the people around me. Why are you stopping me? Are you victimizing me? Are you targeting me? Yeah, those kinds of things.
Hey, well, you going faster now? Yeah. Give me just a second. I'll run back, okay? Thank you. Pulled over speeding. Neither one of them got a seatbelt on. Their car smells like weed, so I've got another unit coming to me so we can search the vehicle. Fume or something now. I think they've sprayed something. All right, ma'am. Like I said, I pulled you over for speeding. I did write you a ticket, okay? Hop out, come around back, and explain the citation to you, okay?
Okay, I don't want to get out.
I don't.
Yeah, I don't want to get out. Car smells like weed. I sprayed some perfume. You can't smell it anymore. There's no weed in this car. I'm not going to get out. Why would I want to get out? That's logical.
Okay, you're getting out. Your car smells like weed, and I'm going to search your car.
It does not.
It does.
No, it does. I don't even smoke weed.
It smells like weed?
No, it doesn't.
Okay.
I don't smoke weed.
Okay, well, you have to get out of your car, okay?
For a citation?
Yes, ma'am.
Where's your supervisor?
My supervisor?
Why would you fight with a cop over such a thing? Unless you have a very good reason for it. I don't know.
I'm a
down the road.
I'm a sovereign citizen for one.
Okay.
Don't touch me.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car, okay?
Do not touch me.
Get out of the car.
I'm a sovereign citizen. Do not touch me.
You're a sovereign citizen.
You better not touch my child.
You're a sovereign citizen? That makes you a special breed of person. You cannot be touched by an officer? Nah, he's going to prove you wrong.
17-year-old's an adult in state of Georgia.
Child.
Ma'am.
This is the United States government
Ma'am.
doing this because I was injected with the COVID vaccine before the pandemic started. They're targeting me.
All right. You've got to listen to this lady now. She makes perfect sense with what she's saying. Perfect sense. If you're delusional, what do you call it? Delusional. If you are delusional, she does make perfect sense then.
Somebody is paying. You want to know why?
Somebody's paid me?
Yeah, the government.
Yeah, the state.
Let me tell you why.
Yeah, that's where my paycheck comes from. Are you going to get out of the car?
Listen.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Can you move?
Get out of the car.
If you touch me, you don't have
Get out of the car.
If you touch me,
Get out of the car. You're under arrest. You're under arrest.
Getting out.
Get out. You're under arrest.
Why would you fight with the cops? Why? Doesn't make sense. They're going to get you out of there anyway. You can fight as much as you want. They'll get you out.
Get out of the car. Put your hands behind your back. You're under arrest, okay?
3181. This is a president, okay?
All right, go back here.
Go
back here. Come on.
Oh my God!
Come over here.
That's my daughter.
Come over here.
Oh my God!
All right, you have anything on you supposed to have? You have anything on you?
Don't touch me!
All right.
Why is she shouting?
Trying to ruin my reputation. The United States government
Nobody knows who you are.
with the COVID-19 vaccine Before the pandemic started, they were targeting me because of it. I have the same cells as Henrietta Lacks.
Makes total sense why she's concerned. And they're trying to ruin her reputation. Please don't ruin her reputation. She's well known, very stable lady. It's an interesting stop. I've never seen anything like this before, ever, and that's saying a lot.
They are targeting me. They are targeting me. They want to ruin their reputation. Get your hand off me.
Appreciate it. Thank you. There's the weed right there.
All right, not exactly the crime of the century, right? I mean, that volume of weed that they found there. Yeah, I don't know, but they found weed. They were right.
Upon initial approach of the vehicle, I smelled the odor of marijuana. We got her out. She's in custody for obstruction, not getting out of the car when I told her to. Searching the car, I did find a little bit of marijuana. My other partner's on the way back.
The nanotechnology inside you too.
The nanotechnology?
Are you a robot?
What are you talking about?
You want to know what I'm talking about? Ask your government what I'm talking about. Ask them what they're spraying on your food. Ask them what they're spraying in the air. Ask them what they're spraying on our children. Ask them what's coming and tell them that I said them because they'll never control me like they're controlling you, you robot. Tell them that. Yo, and y'all got me without my wig on. Yo.
You smiling about that, quit.
Because I don't like you. I'm not trying to make you happy.
If she would have just got out of the car like we told her to and we searched the cars, she just had a very small amount of marijuana. It's a shame she has to go to jail when she could have just got the citations and been on her way.
Have you ever heard anybody talk like this lady? I haven't. I have done literally hundreds of videos of Sovcits. I've never once heard anybody rant like her. Are you a robot? What's wrong with this lady? I don't know. First time. What a crazy stop.
The driver's under arrest for possession of marijuana, obstruction, and the traffic violations.
All right, so that's the end of this, the first video. What a crazy lady. Anyway, end of that one. Let's get on to the second video.
This truck, there's no month or year tag on the license plate. When you run it, it comes back expired of 2021.
42, clear plate.
If it doesn't go down, man, just open the door.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's going on?
Good, yourself?
Good. The reason I pulled you over is because your registration is crazy expired. You know why, or what's the deal with that?
No, I don't need a registration.
You don't need a registration?
Yeah, I don't need.
Yep, he's a Sovcit. No registration for him. Special guy.
Registration.
How come?
Because I'm free to travel.
Okay. All right. Do you have a driver's license on you?
I have a form of identification.
Where is it at? Is it in your pocket? Don't reach for it.
Oh.
Stop reaching.
Yeah, it's in my pocket.
Okay, come out. Step out of the car.
I don't want to leave my vessel.
Right now, you have to come out of the car.
Oh, you're going to leave your vessel. Guaranteed you're going to leave your vessel.
Why?
Because I'm telling you, you don't have a driver's license. You haven't provided me with the driver's license.
Well, I'm going to give you identification.
But you're going to come out of the car and do it.
Sir, you're hurting me.
Okay. What's your name?
Isai.
Isai?
Yeah.
I'm going to help. You're going to step out of the car, or I'm going to have to pull you out of the car. I'd rather you just step out on your own, and we can figure things out.
Can I grab my phone?
Not right now.
I'd rather you rip him out of the vehicle. That's much more entertaining for us. I mean, you know, humor us there.
All right, I'm gonna get out.
Oh, man.
Am on?
It is.
He
Do you have any weapons on you or anything like that?
No, I don't.
Okay, let's step out of the street. All right, have a seat, EC. So what do you consider yourself? Like, is this like a sovereign citizen thing, or?
I don't have any contracts.
What do you mean?
That binds me.
What do you mean
the
contracts?
states with your corporation, because you're a policy enforcer.
I think this is California, if I'm correct. This is California. Yeah. I don't know these guys. They're entertaining.
Well, no, I'm a law enforcement officer, and the state of California has laws, right? You live in the state of California. We have to abide by these laws,
Yeah,
right?
we have a constitution also
Right.
that protects us.
From what? What amendment of the Constitution right now? Well, I'm not searching anything right now, right?
Right,
You're being
right.
detained
Right.
lawfully.
Yeah, check me out.
Okay. So wanted to just check and see what was going on with him. He's got an expired driver's license. The tags are 3 years expired. Not sure why this guy thinks he doesn't have to obey the laws of California, but
Well, he's been driving for 3 years without a license, right? Expired for 3 years. So the last 3 years he's been thinking that he's doing the right thing. I would assume that I would hope that he got stopped in those 3 years and he just decided to ignore them and carry on with his belief system. I would hope that. I hope he wouldn't be driving around for 3 years with nobody stopping him. That would be bad.
I'm not contracted with the state.
Of course you're not.
A corporation that you're policy enforcing.
there's vehicle codes and laws that I'm following. And so unfortunately, his truck's going to get towed tonight.
I like that. That should be done.
Looks like this is where he's getting all of his information, the UCC connection, how to free yourself from legal tyranny. So I'll ask him if he wants to get that back.
First time I've seen that booklet. Never seen it before.
Do you want this?
Yeah, sure. Right there.
How come you don't have this on there? That would have been much easier to explain.
No, I just haven't got around to it. That's all.
Ah, the private plate. The private plate. They all have this and then they get stopped for that. Amazing.
This corporation you work for, they work in codes. They work in secrecy. Yeah, they do. You guys are stealing my property, my private property, which owns to me. It doesn't own to your corporation that you work for. You can only apply law and codes and policies if you own the property. You don't.
Where are you getting all of this information?
USC.
Oh, out of that little book that you had, right?
Nah. You guys have a website.
Okay.
That you guys have you have to abide by your duties and policies, which you held an oath to.
All right, man. You have any other questions before we get out of here?
Nah, man. I hope you guys have a good night.
All right. You too.
Have a good night's rest.
I think it all boils down to a guy who was on the internet too much and is very misinformed.
Yep, you're right.
So we ended up towing his vehicle, and hopefully this will be a lesson to him that there's laws that you have to obey.
All right, so those are the two short little videos of two different but very similar people, Sovcits, who think that no law applied to them, which they don't want to apply to them. It's, I think it's convenient for them. Anyway, what do you think? The female, she all there? I think there's a screw loose in there somewhere. That's my thoughts on it. I could be totally wrong. It's just what I think. This guy, just a standard Sovcit, right? Just a standard Sovcit. But the lady, oh, never heard anything like that in my life. Anyway, Mike, thank you for this video. I don't know where you got it from. Yeah, but it's first one, crazy. That's a crazy lady, I think. Good stuff. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and say in the comments. It does help us a lot. Great stuff. I'll see you next time.